They're not even. Yours has more. Oh, this is unfair. Stop, I'm measuring. Stop breathing so loud. What are you doing in my room? Get out. Oh my God, close the door. Which way are you gonna go? Which way are you gonna go? Which way are you gonna go? Hey, do you want to make a dance to show mom and dad? You're grounded for 2 years.
I'm sorry.
Is this funny to you? Do you want to be grounded?
No, it's not funny. It's not funny.
Why are you sitting in my seat? I always sit behind the driver. We have designated seats. Oh, fine, I'll move. See, this is much better. Wait, you and your sibling look so much alike.
That is the biggest insult I've ever heard.